All right, so number 25, relative minima or maxima and relative minima, and they want, again, just the x coordinates. So on 25, it looks like we're going to have one here and one of them's here. So our maximum is going to be very nice. It crosses right at -1, so it's going to be x is -1. And our minimum, it's not so nice. It's kind of between the 0 and the +1, so you're going to write between. Okay, or you could put the b in or b slash in like I did on the other one, between x equals 0 and x equals 1. Okay, because it's somewhere in between there. We don't know exactly which one it is. Okay, and let's see, then 26, the maxima is going to be right here. It also crosses right at 0. That's nice. And this one, oh, that was nice of them to cross it at +2. The minima is at negative or +2. They also want you to estimate the zeros. So that is, the zeros are where they cross the x-axis. So remember, your x is here. It's the horizontal line. So it crosses right there, right? So if it crosses right there, the zeros on this one are going to be, let's see, 0 is going to be just right there between -1 and -2. So again, you're going to put between or write the word between, whichever. X is -1 and x is -2. Over here, we have a few more places that it crosses. Okay, this one actually has 1, 2, 3 zeros. So the zeros for this one is going to be x, or well, sorry, that one's going to be between. So between x equals -2 and x equals -1. That's one of them. And then we have one where it's x equals 0 because it's right on 0. And then the other one was nice enough to land right on +1. So it's x equals 1. So that's the zeros for number 25. The zeros for 26, well, we have one right here at the maxima, which is nice. So that's x equals 0. And we have one right there, which also crosses right at 3. So it's x equals 3. All right, so those are the zeros for them. Okay, and let's scroll on up here. See what we got. Oh, yes, the piecewise functions. Okay, so they want us to write the piecewise functions for these. What you're going to do is you're going to write, and I don't have a really good place to write here, so I'm going to write this graphs piecewise over here, like in here somewhere, okay? So what you have to do is separate this. You have a line there, and you have a line here, and you have to write each line based on where it's located on the graph. Okay, so for this first one, we see that it's going to be, we have f of x, right? And then it's going to be 4 because it's y equals 4 is the equation for that line right there. But it only exists if x is greater than 0 and equal to, or less than or equal to 3, because it's only between 0 and 3 on the x-axis. Okay, so that's the first one. This one right here has a slope of over 3 and up 3. You can kind of see there. So the slope is 1, but it's a negative slope, right? Because when you come over, you go down. So it's a negative x, right? And then it's going to cross the y-axis at right there. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. So x, negative x plus 7. And here it's if x is greater than 3, but less than or equal to 6, because it stops right here at 6 and 3. So it only lives between x is 3 and x is 6. Okay. Let's see. So let's we'll save the next two for the next video.